My name is Kadarius Collins, and today we'll be doing a pre-inspection on the shop overhead crane, and our inspection will be a prior to use inspection. So what we'll be doing today is we'll be going through and we'll be checking the wire rope and cables, we'll be checking the block, we'll be checking the controller to ensure that everything works as it's supposed to. We'll be checking the controller to make sure that it operates freely. We'll be checking the wire rope to make sure that it operates freely and that there's no discrepancies before we use the shop overhead crane. So when we get up to the crane, the first thing we want to do is we want to check the overall condition of it and give a brief inspection of our controller, our cord that connects to the controller, our beams. Make sure there's no cracks, no bends in our beams. Checking our trolley. And again, making sure we don't have any cracks or bends in our trolley or in our beams. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here. We're gonna first look at our controller. What we can see already is that these two buttons, they have tape on them, and they have tape on it because they need new buttons. The directional controls for these two buttons need to be replaced. Also, we know that our crane is in need of repair because our trolley does not travel east or west, so these two buttons won't do anything for us today. Aside for that, what we can do is we can check our block, make sure that it comes down and goes back up like it's supposed to. All right, so now we're lowering our hook, and what we want to do is we want to check the condition of our wire rope. We want to check the condition of our sleeves, check the condition of the hook itself, and we want to check the condition of our snap on the hook. So what we want to do is give a good visual inspection, make sure that it's greased properly, make sure that it goes through the sleeves smoothly. We want to check this, make sure it snaps like it snaps back. It should have a snap action to it. If it does not have a snap action to it, or it gets stuck in any position, we know that it needs to be repaired or replaced. We want to check out our wire rope. We want to make sure that it is properly greased but not excessive. We don't want to have any excessive grease or back build up on it. Make sure that we don't get any grease on whatever we're lifting, be it an engine or whatever you may need a overhead crane to do. We also want to check that it has freedom of movement, that it moves smoothly and going both up and down. So what you want to do is you want to get your controller, you want to press down, you want to look at it to make sure that it operates smoothly, that it doesn't have any clinks or clumps in it. We're going to stop it right there, and then we're going to go up. And again, we're checking for freedom of movement, making sure that it moves freely, there's no clumps in it, it doesn't have any erratic movements. Also, we want to check our emergency stop button. We're going to push that in. When we push that in, we're going to make sure that it doesn't move in any direction. So we know that our emergency stop button works. What we're going to do now is pull it back out. So we pulled it back out. We are now able to raise our hook up. So now what we want to do is we're going to check that our trolley moves freely in the north and south positions. Again, as I said, our trolley does not move east to west. It needs repair. so we won't worry about that. So right now, we're gonna move aft or south. Make sure that it moves freely. And again, we're gonna move north. Make sure that it moves freely. And that concludes our pre-inspection of our overhead crane or shop crane. Again, my name is Kadarius Collins. Thank you.